Hi everyone, this is Masira, a designer at Godrej UNS. I hope you all are coping well with your boredom amidst the current lockdown. To keep you engrossed, I have some exciting ideas for you which can help you revamp your space. Today we are going to talk about using the perfect upholstery fabric for your home decor. If you've ever been overwhelmed with fabrics, particularly the curtains and upholsteries, what to do and what to choose, then stay with me. I'm going to recommend some of my top tips in choosing the right fabrics. So, after you identify the item you want to upholster, consider these questions. How durable do you want the fabric to be? Do you need to be able to quickly clean up spills and messes, or is it more of a decorative piece? Answering these questions will help you narrow your search. There are a variety of fabrics available in the market. It can often be very confusing on what to choose. So without wasting much time, let's understand your fabric choices better. Beginning with polyester, which is very resilient and springs back to its original shape. It resists wrinkling and is very easy to wash. If you are looking for a material easy on maintenance, polyester is the right material for you. Second one is leather. Being highly tensile and resistant to tear, flexing and puncture, it makes a unique and valuable material for upholstery purposes. The next material is silk. Its low density and good insulation properties make it a very popular material for sofas and curtains. So if you want to add a dash of royalty to your room, silk is the fabric to opt for, as its soft luster and occasional sparkle can instantly change the appearance of your space. The other most comfortable fabric is cotton. It's a natural and sturdy material which absorbs water and breathes. Hence it is best for bed sheets in a kid's room or for a room with an elderly couple. An excellent substitute to silk is rayon. It is diverse in terms of texture, very comfortable and soft to the skin. Another good material is linen, having strength twice as that of cotton. It's valued for its exceptional coolness and freshness in hot and humid weather like Mumbai. Next in line is brocade. It's made of silk and incorporates floral ray stitching using metallic threads. They are probably more suited to soft furnishings than general upholstery like pillows, table runners, etc. Does the grandeur of the royal palaces inspire you? If your answer is yes, then velvet is the fabric for you, as it's soft and luxurious, which makes it an excellent choice for upholstery applications and is one of my personal favorites. The fabrics we talked about have a variety of colors, textures and patterns. When choosing the colors, consider lighter solid colors to create an airy, inviting mood. Darker colors are much better for hiding dirt. Coming to textures, there are basically two types of textures, tactile and visual. Tactile textures showcase the quality of a surface, such as rough, smooth, sticky, fuzzy, soft or slick. For example, cotton is soft to touch, whereas wool is fuzzy. Another good example of a tactile texture is velvet. Visual textures are an implied sense of texture, created through artistic elements. They appear to be three-dimensional because of their print, but are actually two-dimensional. Now, when selecting your fabrics along with textures, also keep in mind the patterns of the fabrics when buying them, as they help you to match the mood you want to give to your space. A floral fabric can give a feminine touch to the room. If you do not want to add too much color, you can choose a pattern with muted tones. A chevron pattern gives a modern look to your space. How about playing with it for your throw pillows on a neutral shaded sofa? Use of geometric patterns is a great way to energize your space. Make sure you balance the geometric pattern well. For example, if you are choosing a neutral tone fabric for the bedspread, let your rug and pillow covers be a contrasting solid with 2 to 3 differently patterned throw pillow covers. Are you a chai lover? Do you want to get the mood of an Irani cafe to your home? A checkered tablecloth over a solid wood dining table will help you achieve the look. Animal prints make perfect accents for solid color furnishings and decor. Patterns such as zebra, cheetah, leopard stand out strongly against a solid backdrop. Animal prints and natural colors blend beautifully with neutral solids, creating a mesmerizing look. A pro tip, avoid going too overboard as it can ruin the overall look. Well, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. Stay tuned for my next video wherein I'll be discussing the do's and don'ts to drape your curtains. In the meanwhile, do not hesitate to share some of your ideas showcasing the reuse of your old saris and bed sheets to prep up your space. Do let me know your questions in the comment section below and let's climb up your space together with you and us.